Morning I saw a post that someone put out on LinkedIn. I'm not going to mention any names because it's irrelevant. But what this person said was, is anyone else finding it difficult to work while we all know that there's an ongoing genocide in Gaza by the Israelis, and also that the US is starting World War III by bombing Yemen? And I was just sitting there like, is there no more accountability left in this world for saying stupid things and things that just don't make sense? Like, firstly, define genocide and then see if it's actually accurate. And number two, saying that the US is starting World War III by bombing Yemen just shows how absolutely oblivious people are towards how global trade and shipping routes work. Like, can we just start taking accountability for what we say publicly, and also, let there be repercussions for saying things that are damaging?